Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain a simple Flutter and Firebase project that has three main files, main.dart and login screen.dart and Firebase options.dart. This project is basically a Firestore login app where users can log in using their password stored in Firestore. This is the code for main.dart. The main.dart file is the entry point of the entire Flutter app. First, we call the widget Flutter bind dot ensure if initialized to make sure Flutter is ready before any Firebase setting. Then we initialize Firebase using the setting provided in the Firebase option.dart over here. Once Firebase is ready, the app runs the My App widget. Inside my app, we use a material app which sets up the basic theme, disables the debug banner, and defines the login screen as the first screen shown when the app opens. So overall, the file's main job is to connect Firebase and launch the login page. Next comes the login screen.dart. The login screen.dart file is where the main login functionality happens. It uses a stateful widget. It uses a stateful widget because we need to handle user input and loading states. There are two text fields, one for the user's email and another for password. When the login button is clicked, the login function runs. This function takes the entered email and password and checks the Firestore database to see if a matching users exists in the user's collection. And if the credentials are correct, a message saying a welcome is shown, and the user is navigated to a home screen, which displays their name, and if the details don't match, it shows a message saying invalid credentials. So in short, this file handles the user login process from taking input in verifying data from Firestore and showing the results on the screen. Next comes the Firebase option.dart. The Firebase option.dart file contains all the Firebase project configuration details such as the API key, app ID, and project ID. These details are automatically generated when we connect Firebase to our Flutter project using the Flutter Fire CLI. This file helps the app know which Firebase project we should connect to. In main.dart, we use this configuration when the calling Firebase.initialize app so the app can communicate properly with our Firebase. And these are the login credentials. And this is the output. So this is the output for and experimental. Thank you.